Look, I have been trying to open up this package for you guys for the longest. But since I am around my house, redecorating, moving things around, moving things out, donating and throwing things away, this is going to work out perfect.
You said that you've been lonely, makes you cold as ice.
So guys, I will be bringing you a video on how I'm redoing my dressing room, but I have moved all the units over here. Now guys, let me tell you something. I went and got this unit from Walmart. I tried to post a video. It was like $28. But guys, would I buy that again? No, I will not. So, because it's so wobbly and it's not stable, instead of taking it all loose and trying to put wood glue on it, I decided to wedge it up between the two IKEA desks that I got, you know, and make it stable there. So that's how and where that will be. But that thing, it was $28. I see why it was on sale, but it is so unstable, guys. It is not funny. So let me show you this package. All right, guys. Well, I am trying to save space and everything, and I have shoes and boots and things of that nature. And so one of the things that I went and bought was this Space Saver shoe rack from Temu. Now, this is how it looks. Okay, you get 20 of them. They was like $12.95. Let's just say $13. And they look like that, right? So, I am trying to save space. So, you're supposed to be able to stack one shoe here. That fit pretty good. Look at that. And then put the other shoe up there. Yeah. Okay, Temu. And put the other shoe there. Now that looks good. Okay, guys, I went and found some heels. Okay. I don't see why it wouldn't hold heels. Oh. And they got a little ledge there to keep it, I guess, from falling. See that? Well, see that? Let's turn it this way. So if I put the heel in there, that ledge will stop it. And the other one go there. So it will hold heels. Y'all see that? So we got heels and gym shoes. So if that's one set. So guys, I believe 20 of them come in here because they boxed it up like this. Okay? So, I don't know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 15. 20 come in a set. Okay, guys? 20. So, I told you guys that I went and bought this unit from Walmart, right? So this is the reason why I bought this cheap unit from Walmart. Guys, I could not believe how flimsy this unit was. Now guys, don't get it twisted. Even though they look very sturdy, they're flimsy, okay? They're made out of like a rubber plastic, you know. But, I guess they'll do the job. Now, to my surprise, depending on how I stack these things, you see I got 3 in there, right? Hopefully I'll be able to get 6 pairs of shoes in each cubicle. So let's just see. So right now, we have these gym shoes. You know how much room this is going to save me if I can get 6 pairs in here. And let's try the black ones. Okay, so we're going to put them in there like this. We're going to push that to the wall. And then we're going to slide that right there. So if I have 2 pushed all the way back, let's see if this one in the middle will work. Hold on. Okay, so we got that one in the middle. We're going to sit this shoe. I wonder. No, we're going to sit it like this. Maybe if we bring it up some. Well, yeah, if I don't mind. 6 pairs of shoes can fit in one cubicle, you know. But most likely, I will just put 2 pair in so they won't be all bundled up together, you know, and do it like that. So pretty much that's it. It is giving me a lot of room to be able to store my shoes. We have bought some other things from Team U that is helping us keep up with our stuff. Let me turn this around. Man, Team U is hitting. Let me see here. I like it, guys. I like it. And you can adjust how high or how low you want this shoe bar to be. You can adjust that. Okay? Yes, you can. You can adjust that. It don't have to be anchored all the way up. Yeah. So as you see, guys, I got my heels right here, but I will not be putting any heels underneath here. Now I have enough room in my closet to store my heels and have those nice and, you know, put away really nice. But, you know, I'm liking this unit from Team U. I'm really liking it. It's going to save you a lot of space, guys. A lot of space. Like I said, it was like $12 and some change, and you get 20 of those units. And yeah, so that'll be able to store a lot of my gym shoes right there. And guys, you got to come on back and visit me, because I'm switching around my dressing room. Things is turning out good. And by me putting this weak, cheap unit under here from Walmart for $28, by me wedging it between these 2 dressers here, it made it more sturdier, you know. It made it more sturdier, but I have a ledge here. So I don't know if I am going to use that for earrings, you know, get a glass case and slide that in there for my earring storage, or brushes, or am I going to make that a cord unit, you know, a charging station cord unit, and put something in there to pull that out. But whatever I do with that piece of space that I have in here, you know, I'm going to bring it to you guys. So that's about it. Go get it from Team U. Right now, you get 20 of these units for like $12 and some change. And I like it. From a scale of 1 to 10, I will give it a 10. A 10.
10, get up, get dressed. Before work's off my list.